Alright, besties, welcome once again to the Christie's Hub. This is simply how to withdraw your lost dog token to your Bitget exchange. So join me on this. As we dive into it, you go open your lost dog on Telegram, open it, click on play game. Once it opens up, simply click on claim Woof 0 gas fee. You have Yes, click on continue if you have the Bitget exchange. If not, create an account. So you go to the Bitget exchange to copy the Woof deposit address and your UID. So join me as we dive into our Bitget exchange. I already opened it, and when you come to the exchange, click on deposit, click on deposit crypto. You click on deposit crypto, just search for Woof lost dog. This is it. So this is the Woof. The network is Tankai. So you just copy it, copy the address, come paste it in the first space, then go back and copy your UID. Go back and copy your UID. You click on this icon to copy your UID. Click on it. So make sure your Bitget exchange is verified. And this is my UID here. It has been copied. 810451810. Then you can paste it here. Then you click on continue. Inside, if you fail the Bitget KYC, your token will be sent to your town wallet. Okay, then you click on continue. Are you sure? Click on send. Click on send, and your token is in progress. So thank you very much for always engaging with our videos on this channel. This is simply how to withdraw your lost dogs token to your Bitget exchange. So you expect your token once the processing is done. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button to subscribe. Welcome to this family in advance. Hit the like button to like our video, hit the share to share with family and friends, and hit the comment section to give me a nice comment. Let me know your thoughts about this video. See you in our next video, and thanks once again. Bye bye.